Welcome back to the channel for another banger. I know it's been a while since you heard my voice, because I've been doing short videos, but today I wanted to come and put your mind at ease. Okay, so I was reading comments today and I seen somebody said, when everything dips, buy what is as light as a penny but can fly like a butterfly. Okay, and I think that's the best advice ever, especially as of right now. Now, the stock market has been really volatile and quite scary if you do not know how it works. Even I've been a bit, I'm not gonna say emotional, because I literally don't look at my portfolio. Like, what's the point? Okay, I only go to look at it if I'm going to buy something, and that's it. Of course, I'm not selling, but I wanted to talk about why this stock market crash is happening in the first place. As you know, I'm actually not sure if I released that video, but I talked about the bond, the 10-year bond thing rising to 1.5. And I honestly do not see this as any cause for concern, but I guess, it is what it is, right? There's nothing much that we can do, but just stop looking at your portfolio. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the fact that could this stock market crash, besides the feds and, everything else that's going on, could this really be related to the fact that it's going down even more because a lot of people started investing in 2020 and they're really amateur investors and don't know how to flip to control their emotions and not sell stocks out of panic, which is probably causing even more of this downward trend that we are seeing. But honestly, guys, I am not that nervous, because if you go back in time and look at the trends for the last 100 years, you will realize that this is a trend that happens almost every single year. And the keyword here is almost. I'm not saying it happens every year, but it's a very typical thing to happen. And if you really want to be a successful investor, like I say on this channel all the flipping time, your emotions have to go. Okay, if you cannot stop looking at your portfolio, you should not be investing. If every single time your stock dips, you're selling, you should not be investing. You also do not want to be a greedy person, because I feel like greedy people is another reason there is this whole pump and dump thing. I'm kind of old school. I don't really pump and dump anything. I rarely ever sell my stocks unless there's a fundamental shift in the business model or a really fundamental shift that I think cannot be fixed. But otherwise, I'm still holding all my companies, okay, that I have. I'm not worried about it. I've actually been adding to my positions this week, although I was kind of upset that last week I actually spent a lot of money buying the dip last week without anticipating that this dip would happen. But a girl got some more money and I put it in. So yeah, but guys, for me this looks like an opportunity in disguise, and I'm going to be saying this again, opportunity in disguise. Times like this is what makes millionaires. What you do in a time like this will make you either a millionaire, a billionaire, or a sloppy Joe. And as much as you do want to be doing your due diligence and not just getting into new companies, it's also important to be into companies whose valuations, we have not seen them go down this much. So like companies like Square, Apple, Amazon, all those big companies that we've not seen dips like this in a while. It is important to see those, okay, and consider that. Don't be the person that runs away and just sells your shit. That's cowardice, okay? Not only is it cowardice, you're losing money. Just hold, okay? Hold your stock so you don't really have a lot of regrets and stuff like that. I definitely do think this market will rebound, and when it does, we know it will rebound even more than we've seen it, just like last year March highs. But yeah, y'all, just be patient and more selective during this period. Do not just throw your money at stocks. Definitely that's stupid. And always, like I say all the time, keep cash on hand so you're able to make more decisions when time presents itself. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 300 subscribers at the time that I'm making this video, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. I honestly didn't even think that many people would care like what I have to say, but I really appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. So peace out, bitches.